How to unblock downloads on Google Chrome. This tutorial shows you how to override the block when Chrome flags a file it considers unverified or potentially dangerous. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. From there, click the three dots at the top right corner. After that, click Settings, found near the bottom of that menu. At this point, click Privacy and Security. Following this, click Security. This section is where safe browsing controls all the blocking behavior. From here, if you have a file that was downloaded and blocked, but you're confident it's safe, scroll down within Security. At this stage, click No Protection instead of Standard Protection. Keep in mind this isn't recommended, since Chrome won't be able to scan any of your future downloads for threats, so only use this if you're certain the specific file is safe. Following this, click Turn Off to confirm the change. From here, go back and attempt to download the file again. Once switched, Chrome will no longer block that download, and you'll be able to save the file without running into that warning again. That's how you unblock downloads on Google Chrome. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.